The stock price of GlaxoSmithKline has down 35% from its top level and currently it is trading at the level of 2038 rupees. In this video, we will analyze business model, key growth drivers, financial and valuation, leadership and the challenges. Make sure you stick around till the end for better learning. Hey everyone, my name is Hariom and you are watching Trading with Hariom. GlaxoSmithKline Pharmaceutical is a part of GlaxoSmithKline, a British multinational pharmaceutical company headquartered in London. The company underwent merger in 2000 of Glaxo Wellcome and SmithKline Become and is the world's sixth largest pharmaceutical company. The product portfolio includes prescription medicine and a vaccine. Under the prescription medicine, they are having anti-infection, diabetes, gynecology, dermatology, cardiovascular disease, respiratory disease and so on. The company focuses on its research across 6 areas include respiratory disease, HIV, vaccines, immunoinflammation, oncology and a rare disease. The company has 5 manufacturing plants in India and more than 8,300 employees in India. 98% of the company's products sold in India are produced locally. The company is having 2 business verticals. First one is pharmaceutical business, which contributes 76% of revenue, and the second one is vaccine business, which contributes 24% of revenue. Under the pharmaceutical business, the company is the market leader in anti-infective, nutrition, rare disease, dermatology and respiratory. Its key brands include Augmentin, Colpal, CCM, Septum and T-Bact. Augmentin is India's #1 ranked in the Indian pharmaceutical market. Under the vaccine business, the company is the #1 private vaccine manufacturer in India, offering a wide variety of vaccine for the prevention of hepatitis A, hepatitis B, invasive disease caused by H, influenza, chickenpox, diarrhea, pertussis, tetanus, rotavirus, cervical cancers and others. Its vaccine key brand include Synflorix, Rotarix, Boostrix, Menveo, Haurix, Corvorix and Priorix. Now we'll discuss key growth drivers of GlaxoSmithKline. The first one is strong performance of core brands. GSK India's flagship products such as antibiotic Augmentin have maintained market leading position in the market. The respiratory portfolio has also seen significant market share gain. The second one is expansion into specialty segment. The company is diversifying into specialty areas such as oncology with plans to introduce 2 major high value therapies. These moves signify GSK India's commitment to broadening its therapeutic offering and addressing unmet medical situation. The third one is advancement in preventive healthcare. GSK India is enhancing its preventive healthcare portfolio by launching adult vaccines such as Shingrix. The fourth one is digital transformation and omnichannel strategy. The company is adopting innovative digital solutions to expand its reach and improve customer segment. Now we'll discuss leadership. Bhushan Akshikar is the managing director of GSK India, holds a bachelor's degree in pharmaceutical science from University of Pune and a postgraduate MBA in marketing. With over 26 years of experience in the pharmaceutical industry and has held various leadership roles across geography. He joined GSK India in 2011. Now we'll discuss financials and valuation. GSK India has commanded a market cap of 34,562 crore with the PE ratio of 43.1, which is slightly above the industry PE of 41.0, indicating a fair valuation. The company maintains strong profitability with an impressive ROC of 51.3% and ROE of 37.3%, reflecting efficient capital utilization. With a minimal debt to equity ratio of 0.01, GSK India operates with almost no financial leverage. For March 2024, the company reported sales of 3,454 crore and a net profit of 590 crore, while its trailing 12-month figure stands at 3,560 crore in sales and 675 crore in net profit, so causing a significant improvement in profitability. The shareholding pattern remains stable, with promoters holding a strong 75% stake while FII and DII hold 4.50% and 7.30% respectively. The public shareholding stands at 13.21%. These fundamentals indicate a financial sound company with strong backing. Now we'll discuss challenges. The first one is price control and the challenges. The inclusion of key drugs like Septum and T-Bact under the National List of Essential Medicine of 2022 has led the price cap, impacting profitability and revenue. The second one is declining vaccine sales. GSK revised its vaccine sales outlook due to weaker demand affecting its overall growth projection. The third one is competitive market. The Indian pharmaceutical sector is highly competitive with the global and domestic players aggressively expanding their market share. The fourth one is stock underperformance. The stock has been trading below its moving averages, indicating a weak investor sentiments and a bearish trend. Fifth one is regulatory uncertainty. Frequent changes in drug pricing policy, government regulations and approvals create uncertainty for the company's operations. Sixth one is global business headwinds. Any slowdown in parent company's global performance can impact GSK India's operations. Now I'll discuss technical chart pattern of GlaxoSmith. The stock price is down 35% from its top level and currently it is trading at the level of 2050 rupees. The stock has been trading between the range of 1200 and 2000 since past 2015 to till now. However, it got 150% from January 23 to August 24. Please let me know in the comment below how much time it will take to regain its previous high. This is not a buy and sell recommendation. Please take this video as a study purpose. Before taking any action, please talk with your advisor first. I'm not a SEBI registered RA. That's it for today's analysis. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to Trading with Hariom for more in-depth stock analysis. We'll back in next video. Till time, happy investing.